I have tested 4 well-known concealers. I filmed myself wearing them in the AM and PM so you can see which one is the best in covering dark under eye circles. Let's talk about the Bobbi Brown Creamy Concealer Kit. It comes in a beautiful black sleek packaging. The packaging has a mirror inside. I have it in the shade Warm Natural. The kit also includes a powder to set the concealer. In the pan, the shade looks like a skin-toned shade, but when you swatch the concealer, you see that it has a peachy undertone. Furthermore, you can see that this concealer is insanely pigmented. When it comes to the creaminess, I would say yes, it's easy to apply, but it's not liquidy, runny or something like that. Now you see myself wearing it in the morning. You can see that the coverage is good, but you can see that the darkness is shining through the concealer. And now you see some footage from the evening, so you can see how this concealer holds up throughout the day. As you can see, it has almost vanished. The philosophy of Bobbi Brown is that natural beauty, natural makeup look. Therefore, you can see that it looks really also in real life quite natural. It's like as you haven't applied any concealer to your under eyes. Furthermore, what I love about this concealer is it's so easy to apply. I would apply it with my fingers and set it with a powder brush. I would apply this concealer on top of a corrector. And what I love about this is also that it is easy to transport. So when you like that natural makeup look, you don't have much time in the morning to put your makeup. So you want to have something that is really easy to apply. You are a newbie to makeup and you are not too professional in blending makeup, then this is for you. But when it comes to the coverage, as you can see, it's not the best if you have a deep, dark under eye area. Let's talk about the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Compared to the Bobbi Brown concealer kit, this comes in a relatively big packaging. It comes with a doe foot applicator. And I find the doe foot applicator quite elegant. I have this concealer in 2 shades, in Warm Beige and Shortbread. Warm Beige was a little too dark for me. This is why I have bought Shortbread. Both shades have a warm yellow undertone to it. And compared to the Bobbi Brown one, this concealer is even creamier. But as you can see, it is still insanely pigmented. Now you can see me wearing it in the morning. This is right after I have applied this concealer. As you can see, the coverage is great. I mean, I don't see any darkness shining through. Now you can see the concealer after 8-9 hours of wear. You can first see that it is a bit on the drier side. But as you can see, compared to the Bobbi Brown one, this holds up quite well. The longevity is great. In the evening I can still see a good amount of coverage. Obviously a little bit of darkness is shining through. So if you have a lot of darkness going on in your under eye area, you want something that is easy to apply, go with this one. So next I want to talk about the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have it in both versions here. One is the original formula and the other one is the Ultra Creamy. The difference between them basically is that the original is a little bit on the dry side, whereas the Ultra Creamy is more hydrating. As the Ultra Creamy is quite similar to the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, I want to start with the Ultra Creamy first. It comes in a nice packaging. Compared to the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, the packaging is smaller, but here also 50% less product is inside. It comes with a doe foot applicator as well. As you can see, the doe foot applicator is rather on the big side, especially compared to the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So I find it a bit difficult to maneuver with. I have it here in the shade 27S. It is supposed to have like warm yellow undertones. I feel like this is more on the neutral side. It looks a bit ashy on me. Compared to the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, this is a little bit on the creamier side. Too Faced is a little drier. This is insanely pigmented as well. Now you can see myself wearing it in the morning, right after I have applied this concealer to my under eye area. I again have applied this on top of a corrector. I dabbed it into my my under area with my fingers and I have set it with a powder. You can see that it's better than the Bobbi Brown Concealer Kids coverage, but you can still see a little bit of darkness shining through. Now you can see some footage from the evening after 8-9 hours of wear. You can see that this one is less drying than the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. But you can also see that compared to the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, here the darkness is shining through more in the evening. So the longevity is not as good as the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Now let's talk about the original Tarte Shape Tape concealer. It comes in the same packaging as the Ultra Creamy concealer. This one I have in a lighter shade than the Ultra Creamy one. I have it in the shade 20S. It is again supposed to be a warm toned, yellow undertoned concealer, but I feel like, or at least I see, that there are some pink undertones to this concealer and the shade. Compared to the Ultra Creamy one and to the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, this one is a bit on the drier side. It is quite difficult to work in, so it doesn't glide on as smoothly as the other two, but interestingly, it's less drying to my under eye area than the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So when it comes to the coverage, in my view, this one has a better coverage than the Ultra Creamy concealer. Throughout the day, it also holds up better. Now you can see myself wearing it in the AM right after I have applied this concealer. You can see that the coverage is good, but I still see some darkness coming through. Now you can see myself wearing it in the PM. So as you can see, I mean, the concealer is still there. I can still see the darkness. So maybe it's too light for me and I should go with a darker one that would just conceal my under eye area better. So for me, the winner is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. First of all, here you get more product for the same price. Secondly, I find it easy to apply. It has a small doe foot applicator and the formulation is creamy, so that you can just blend it into your under eye area with your fingers and set it with a powder. The coverage is good. It is insanely pigmented and it holds up very well in the evening. The concealer is still there where it should be. The downside obviously is the big packaging, which I don't like. And as you can see, it looks a bit cakey in the under eye area. I mean, the Tarte Shape Tape is great. It's a good product, definitely. But the original was just really very difficult to work in. The creamy was easier to work in, but that one didn't hold up very well throughout the day. So that overall, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer was the winner for me. And when it comes to the Bobbi Brown one, it's so easy and fuss-free to apply. It has a very sleek packaging, but it's just not enough to cover huge, dark under eye circles. So let me know down below what you think of these concealers. Which one do you like the most? What are your experiences? Have you ever tried them? I have applied these concealers on top of a corrector. I have already reviewed some well-known correctors in a video. I have ranked them there as well, so I recommend you to watch that video next.